Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how to fix Money Network app won't let me log in. So the first method here that we're going to do in order to fix the issue is by making sure that you're connected to a stable internet connection. So if you're going to look at it, as you can see, I've just connected into Wi-Fi. But here, as you can see, you can try to use the mobile data. So you can try if it fix the issue on this money network app problem. The second method that we're going to do is by making sure that you're using the latest version of this application. So to do that, open your Play Store if you're using an Android device, then open your App Store if you're using iOS device. And then look for Money Network app. And then if an update button shows up, you just have to tap on the update button. Now, if the problem persists, you will now go to the final method, which is to clear your app cache. So to do that, open up your phone settings. So open your phone settings, and then you just have to find the mobile network app. So scroll down here and find apps, and then select on this manage apps or apps management, and then go to the search box right there at the top and search for this application. So once you've done, you can now try to clear the application cache. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.